Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mansa Arcot. I hope you lovelies are doing really well. Thank you so much for the love and support you guys showed me for my earlier videos, guys. It really means a lot to me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what happened before my journey and after my journey, guys. This video is going to be a little lengthy, but don't worry. I have given the timestamps below in the description box. You can just forward the video wherever you want. So without any further ado, let's get started. A day earlier my journey, I had Ganesh Chaturthi event to be celebrated, and this is our home Ganesh. After puja, we headed towards Vijaya Diagnostic Center, Himayatnagar, to take our COVID test. If you live in Hyderabad and you want a COVID test to be done before traveling to UK, please visit Vijaya Diagnostic Himayatnagar as it is ICMR approved. Now they hand over you a registration form where you have to fill your name, age, mobile number, passport number, your vaccination status and your address. It was my first experience of taking a COVID test and I was scared to death. She kept inserting the knob into my nose and literally I was tearing each and every moment there. So after my COVID test, I came back to home and I headed towards Juice Salon for my haircut. I took appointment at Juice Himayatnagar. Juice is really famous for its good work and it's recently opened in Himayatnagar, so I have decided that I'm gonna have my haircut done here. So let's watch my haircut journey, guys. I went through a hair wash and the products they used was really good. My hair felt really soft and healthy and I'm just waiting for the healthy haircut look of mine. I asked them to do a textured haircut, that is the textured layered haircut. So let's watch how it turns out. Along with me, my sister also accompanied me for the haircut. She was done with her haircut and was happy. done with my haircut and the final look was really amazing. My hair was bouncy, textured, layered. I loved the look. Let me know in comment section how my haircut looks. Now I'm done with all my works, I've done packing and I've arrived to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport for my journey. After reaching UK, the first thing I've done was I boarded my bus to reach my accommodation. So when I planned my journey that I'm going to reach London and then travel to my accommodation, I've understood that I had to take some transport and then reach to my accommodation, guys. So I just researched which would be the best and cheapest mode of transport if I'm traveling from London. So when I had the research, I've understood that buses are the cheapest mode of transport. If you don't carry a lot of bags, you can easily commute in bus. However, if you think you have a lot of luggages and you need a little help and you don't want the hassle to get down from a station and move to another station, you can opt a cab. So if you want a cab, most of the universities have created WhatsApp groups like our university. Our university had a WhatsApp group where all the Indians are there in that group. Just get in touch with the seniors through Facebook groups or WhatsApp group, guys. They would help you with the right direction. And then if you want to opt a bus or train, something like that, go through the websites. I have given some websites in the description box below. You can go through that. So I have booked National Express from London to my accommodation. That was a pretty good deal which I received, guys. It was really cheap and I had traveled without any problem. I got out of the airport from Terminal 2, guys. I had to change some elevators to reach to my coach station. The coach station, that is the bus station, is attached to the airport. So no one has to go from one point to another point to reach the bus station. The National Express especially has its coach station attached to the airport. So I have gone through some elevators and then reached the bus point and sat into that. So while I've gone through the whole journey, I needed some help regarding where the bus coach station was, because the boards were not that clear. The airport was really huge. I needed some help. I really needed some help. It was really hard for me to find where the coach station alone. I was carrying 4 luggages. On top of that, I had a rucksack bag and laptop bag. Oh my god, I couldn't say how much I panicked because I never traveled alone having that lot of luggages with me, but each and every one there whom I asked help for, they did help me. The airport staff, whoever were working there, whoever I asked them help for, everyone helped me. They did not seek anything in return. They just helped. They're really sweet, guys. I love British people, how they reacted, how even now when I go to a grocery store, they're so sweet. They even help you with little details. I wanted that way. I wanted to know what the direction is. They come along with me and show me the clear way where it goes. I really love that thing. So I boarded the bus, and then after boarding the bus, I reached my accommodation night 9:30. From there, I booked a cab and reached my home. Yeah, that was how I reached my home from London Airport. I'll give the links in the description box below for the bus, guys. I don't just have the National Express. There are a lot of options for you guys. We have Mega Bus, we have National Express, we have a lot of options. Just go through the links in the description box and you can choose the one which suits for you. Apart from bus options, you also have train options, guys. You can go through the links in the description box to book a train if you wish. Trains are also good because they don't have luggage limit or something like that. But if you're traveling for a long journey and if you had to change various stations, just remember that point. It might be a little difficult if you are changing different stations. So depending on the location where you are and where you have to reach to, just go through which would be the best mode of transport you can opt for. This is how the National Express bus looks like, guys. It's from Mercedes Benz. They stopped here for a coffee break, and to my shock, this is a bus stop, guys. Can you guys, if you're from India, are you understanding how beautiful this bus stop is? I've never seen a bus stop like this. It had gates. It's almost like an airport. It was really good for me. And this is my place. I reached there at 9 p.m. somewhere like that. After reaching my accommodation, the first thing I've done was I wrote a mail to my university and informed them that I reached my accommodation and I would need my essential kit to be delivered to my home. So once I wrote my mail, within 24 hours, my university sent the parcel, that is the delivery, to me with all the essential kits. The essential kit had every item in it, guys. It had toothpaste, it had deodorant, it had vegetables, it had whatnot. I was really happy that university provided all that facilities, because it's really hard for us to go out during the self-isolation. NHS team keeps a track on where you go. So all the guys who are watching my video right now and are self-isolating, I request not to go out, because they track you and it's not safe, guys. If you are found that you're going out and breaking the self-isolation rules, you will be charged £1,000 to £10,000 as fine. Don't give that pain to your parents. Just stay in your home and go through the self-isolation, watch movies, do whatever, but don't go out. If you need something, take help from NHS. I'll give the link in the description box below if you need anything. Let's open the self-isolation kit together. Let's see what it has. They gave a penne pasta, tortillas, chocolate chip cookies, tomato paste. You can use that to curries. Milk, semi-skimmed. The tuna chunks. I've never tasted that. Baked beans. And the cheddar cheese. And this is salted butter. Tomato soup. Cherry tomatoes. The bok choy, a garlic, an apple, a green apple and a tangerine, potato, jalapenos, carrots, ginger, and some more tangerines. Another ginger. Another jalapeno, red jalapenos. I think that's red bell pepper, I'm not sure. And these are surface wipe for kitchens and your surfaces. Toilet paper, shampoo, a toothpaste, and the dishwasher detergent. And these are the clothes washing tablet. Another one. and this is deodorant. I think, yeah, these are pretty much what I've received from the essential kit that college provided me, and I'm pretty happy. It's too good. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked my video, and if you have any suggestions, any requests, you can drop a comment in the comment section below. I will definitely answer them, and if possible I would make a dedicated video for that. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, guys. I would really love that. It's free, guys, so please do subscribe. It's a really good motivation for me to upload more such videos, and I thank you from bottom of my heart. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.